Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. If you would like to make something quick from scratch, this will be the dish. It is probably the fastest stir-fry dish that I know. This dish is based on what is known as a foo-young egg template. It is actually a cross between an egg omelet and scrambled egg. So okay, let's go into the kitchen and have some fun. I have added 2 tablespoons of canola oil to my Imusa 14-inch light cast iron wok. I spot seasoned the wok, and if you're not familiar with this method, please take a look at this video. And for this dish, the wok has to be well seasoned. The wok is very hot. As you can see, as soon as I add the egg to the wok, the eggs start to bubble almost immediately. At this point, I turn the heat to medium-low. Notice that how I use the wok spatula to push the egg from the outside into the inside. You can see that the egg does not stick to the wok at all. At this point, I add the frozen vegetable mix and add umami to the egg. You can pour them out if you would like, but you don't have to. You probably noticed that at this point, I fold the egg over the ingredients like I would do with an omelet. However, in this case, you don't have to worry about that everything is being enclosed within the egg. I'm going to let the egg to cook a little bit. If you want it more like a scrambled egg, then you can fold it more often. So you will have a choice how you would like the texture of the egg going to be. I like mine a little bit runny so it can cover the rice. So okay, now the dish is almost 80% done. You can season the dish whatever way you like to. In this case, I'm going to season the dish with mushroom seasoning, lemon pepper, a little bit paprika, and some onion flakes. I season my dish differently each time, all depending what I'm going to use the dish for. I store my seasoning in an Indian spice box known as masala daba, which is very convenient because you have all the seasonings right in front of you. This provides an excellent opportunity for you to vary the way how you season each time. I call this flavor chasing, which is one of the 4 attributes of my fast cooking system. After mixing in the seasoning, the dish is ready to serve, and the total cook time is less than 2 minutes. As you can see, based on the ingredients as well as the seasoning, this is a relatively neutral dish. This could form the foundation of future modification of this dish. One of my friends is Italian heritage, and he will love to put Parmesan cheese over the egg. Another friend of mine who lives in Texas, and he loves Mexican food, so he will put taco sauce over the dish. And you can eat this dish almost over any type of carbohydrates. For example, you can serve it on top of a piece of toast. Or you can wrap it in a burrito. In my case, I just enjoy to serve it with white rice. So finally, I'm going to garnish this dish with a little bit of oyster sauce. Sometimes if I'm in a hot and spicy mood, then I will garnish it with some sriracha sauce. Again, this dish is quick, healthy, and from whole ingredients. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.